Hey, we're going to talk today about the ATP database link to Oracle database. In this example, I will set up the simple DBLink using the username and password as a credential. Both databases are on the same network. Okay, what is the database link? Database link is the connection between one database and the second database and allow you to query the second database where you are on the first database. This is, you don't have to go to another database to make the query. You want to run some procedure, some report that you're running on your report database, but then you can connect to another database and bring this data here, connect with the local tables that you have here in the first database, and then build your output. Okay, this is very useful tool. Okay, set up a database. It is two-step process in this example. In the first step, we'll set up the credentials. In ATP, you have to execute the procedure to create the credential. You're defining the name of the credential and then username and password. That is the simple way to approach this. Okay, now the second step is to create the database link. We need to execute this type of procedure. Now in this procedure, we will define the database name, the host name, the port, service name, credential name which is used to connect to that database, direct directory null, and private target true. Now the private target because the database is in the private subnet. Now this is the private endpoint. Now important point here is that the host name. The host name has to be DNS name. I tried using the IP address. The procedure gave me the error. ATP database is running in your cloud account. Part of your cloud account, you have the access to DNS, where you can add your local DNS. When you're creating the VM, during the creation of the VM, you will have the entry in the DNS that you have to use that DNS record to refer to your server. You cannot use the IP address. Okay, now once you set up the database link, you can see the database link configuration. It will look something like this, where in this situation is the owner is admin, DBLink, username it's null because it's using the credential name, and then the host. The host string, it is something similar which you are aware when you configured the DBLink and you configured the DNS names, that this is the string which is in this DNS and TNS names that Aura file. Okay, that is a common configuration. And now once you configure the DBLink, you can use the select sysdate from dual add DBLink connection, and this will return you the sysdate. In the situation of any problem, connection issues or something like that, you will get some error which help you to troubleshoot the problem and trying to resolve the problem. Okay, the reference to the documentation based on which I make that quick presentation, I will post this link in the comment section that you can refer to that link. There is more details, information which you can use in the troubleshooting of the DBLink, or post the comment below and I will see if I can help you out. Okay, join the Facebook group. Always free cloud, where I'm talking about more about using the Oracle Cloud Always Free tier, and we can discuss, we can help each other. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will have a wonderful day. Thank you.